Pumpkins are not difficult to grow, but growing them is not without challenges. They need a lot of space for their sprawling vines and will take over your garden if you don't watch over them. Rabbits and other rodents may damage pumpkins, or they may start to rot if left laying on excessively moist soil. Growing pumpkins along fences solves all of these problems and provides some perks. Using fences as trellises eliminates the space issue and makes it easier to control the vines. Because pumpkins are elevated off the ground, the wildlife won't be able to reach them. And there is no need to worry about them laying on the wet ground. In addition, if you have a see-through fence, the plant's large leaves will make it less so. One possible challenge is that if the pumpkins grow too large and heavy, the vines may not be able to support them. But this challenge can be easily taken care of by suspending your pumpkins in hammocks. To make these hammocks, you will need some mesh bags, the kind in which vegetables and fruits are sold, and any type of cord that can hold the weight of a pumpkin. Once you estimate how long the cord should be, take one end of the cord and make an overhand loop. And then make another loop on the other end. Now put one end of the mesh bag through the loop in the cord and tie a knot on the bag to join the cord and the bag. You can repeat this step for the other side, and the first hammock will be ready. But instead, you can make a hook from a thick wire and use it as a fastener. This will make it easy to detach the hammock if, for example, you need to shorten or extend the cord. When it's time, place your pumpkins in the hammocks and watch them grow without worrying about them breaking the vine.